Today I'm going to replace the cabin air filter on my Ram TRX. So basically just pull it to the side and up. And just let it hang like that. There's the housing for the cabin air filter. You can see it indicates airflow pointing down. And there's an arrow here to release. Now, I've never replaced my cabin air filter, and I've done some light off-roading on some farmland, so I expect this cabin filter is gonna be very dirty, full of grass, weeds, and dirt, dust. So that's why I've got this little paper towel here to catch any of that debris. To remove this cover is really straightforward. There's tabs on each side. You just pull that towards you. There's the cover. Oh wow. So I'm just gonna pull it really slow so I don't get any of that debris falling on the floor of my truck. And there we go. Look at that. Okay, so this is why it's important to replace your cabin air filter every now and then. Like, this thing is pretty filthy. Oh wow, yeah, just look at that. So it was due for a replacement. So there you go, there's the old. Now we'll go ahead and pop on the new one. Okay. Here's the new cabin filter that I bought from the dealership. My advice, don't buy from the dealership because it's a ripoff. This was 40 bucks. You can buy them online, aftermarket, for the same quality for a lot less. But I just happened to be at the dealership, so I just picked it up. So that's the factory filter. It says airflow down. So we're gonna install it this way with the arrow pointing down. So I'm just gonna pop this in there. There we go. All right, there we go. New filter is right in there. Oh, there's the cover. We're gonna pop that on. So that was a simple task. If you do this at the dealership, they're gonna probably charge you 40, 50 bucks to do this. You could literally do it in like 3 minutes. And you should change your cabin air filter every 20,000 miles or once a year. I haven't been doing that. I did buy this truck used and I've had it just over a year. So it's the first time I'm replacing it. But this looks like it's a factory filter and I suspect wasn't changed previously. But just to show you how dirty these can get. The last thing you want is just to get moldy. Because if you do have a vehicle and you've got this mold smell, musty smell that you just can't seem to find where it's coming from, check your air filter. But there you go. So just do it yourself, save some money.